What's up, YouTube? Have I got something for you? Last week I made a trip up to Wisconsin. Spent a whole Friday, a whole Saturday, and a Sunday morning. A total of about 36 hours of pure driving to get this. All right, so there it is. 1967 Chevrolet Corvette. If you notice right there, it says 427. It's not a 427, unfortunately, but that's okay because the engine that's in there will not be staying in there. Right now it has a 283. Of course, that's not original for this year. Let's do a little walk around here. See how nice this thing is. Nice for a project, I suppose. I gotta find a key for that. You get a look in the inside. You can definitely tell this has been sitting for quite a while. The tags right over there says 1971. So that's the guess. But not too bad. I mean, even the headliner I can reuse. Keep and reuse. It is a really good starter vehicle. Door didn't shut all the way. That's all right. You gotta take a look under the hood. There is 283, 64 to 66 year model. Not sure what it came out of, but it is definitely seized up. I mean, if it's been since the 71, that's just a given. Not the motor I'm going to use, but hell, I'm going to try to get it started anyways. So that's the car, folks. It's definitely going to take me a couple years, and I'll be posting videos all along the way. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe.